Hi, I am Mahmoud Karaja. For my senior project, I have developed an Ethernet driver for GIS operating system developed by TÜBİTAK Bilgem. GIS developers chose TMS570 boards to run GIS on, so we have built the Ethernet driver for this board. To build the driver, we have studied the user guide of the TMS570 board and GIS board support package developer guide and some example code built for the TMS570 board. We used Hulk again, a tool by Texas Instruments to generate hardware abstraction layer code. We only need the Ethernet driver codes. On Emac tab, we make sure that the physical address is set to 1 and everything is checked except loopback communication. After that, we generate code and copy the generated code to our project. We also had to modify this generated code for GIS later. We make sure that we have enabled the Ethernet on the device by flipping this switch labeled Ethernet on. Using the TGO, the IDE used to develop board support package components for GIS, we have developed a very simple driver that handles 4 functions: open, read, write, and close. After making sure that our device driver works, we developed a simple ping application. We have implemented a very simple ARP protocol that handles only 2 operations: ARP request and ARP reply. Then we developed an ICMP protocol wrapped by the IP protocol that only makes use of 2 functions: ICMP echo request and echo reply. Using these modules, we have built the application logic on top, and there we have our ping application built on the device. We have tested the application using ping command on Segment first. The results seem to be always below 1 millisecond. We then used a program named fping, which is a more sophisticated tool for sending ping probes. Here we use it to send 100 pings to the host with a period of 100 milliseconds. No drops. That's great. The results seem to be satisfactory. Let's try sending 100 pings with 1 millisecond period. We gotta work on that. We can also receive pings from the device, but I don't have a good way of showing them, so I'll skip it for now, I'm sorry. So in conclusion, we developed a very simple Ethernet driver and a ping application on top of it. From this, I get a general idea about how operating system modules might be implemented and used. Other than that, there's simple stuff I learned, like reading assembly or reading memory dumps for debugging purposes.